Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing of my new file. So here we go. Right, it's a Scamander rechargeable nail gel from MelodySusie, and I got eight ceramic bits, and I think 200 of these sandbands, and the piece to hold the sandbands. Maybe a little manual, and I have a coupon code. How cool! For more bits. Oh, this is so cool. So I have to keep this close by, guys. Right, this is smaller than I thought. This is pretty small. Look. This is pretty small. I could smudge it easily though, like see, smudges. But I wanted black because my
2 hours later
lamp is black, so I wanted to have like all black accessories. It has the digital display, which I wanted. I guess this can hold it up if I have somewhere to hold it. Let's see what these 2 boxes have in them. This one, oh, right, so here we go. How sexy is this? It's very sexy. So this is this, and this goes here. Right, so that goes in there, going in there real firm though. So that's that. So then comes with, oh, this is very firm to hold my arm. So it holds any little, you know, hold any file. Okay, so it also has the open and close feature, which I really wanted, and I will show you why just now. Yeah. You have your charger, some carbide bits for natural nails, and then I'm guessing, yes, this is for this, and this goes, I believe that this goes here. So that you can also press this like this. How cool is this? See? So I'm not going to use this right now, so I'll leave this in here. So let's turn it on. So you turn this on the top here. Woo. And this is also the speed dial. That's what it's called, the speed dial. To raise how much ever you need. It goes straight up to 30. Alright, but we're not going to put it at 30. We'll lower it down. We're starting off real slow. So we start off on 3 or 4. I'm going to test it out using one of my new bits. But I am going to test it using one of the new bits because I have an acrylic. And these bits that came in the kit, in the box, have a natural nails. So it is unlocked. So I'm guessing I have to pull out this and put in this. So I put it in here and then lock it. Yeah, it's probably supposed to take it off. Yeah, you should probably take it off. So isn't that I was spinning all the time? Alright, and this is for, if you're not hearing it, that's epic. Because I'm pretty sure if I turn on my old one, you would definitely hear it. Oh. Let me turn on the old one. Right, same carbide bits, same ceramic bits. That is so amazing. And this is on. Hi, and this is still overpowering it. And this is shaking. And this is not. So, let's see how this goes. Okay, just now, I need to take this off. I think it's in reverse. Yes. Alright, this is supposed to be this way. Okay, so this is forward and reverse. Reverse is for if you use your left hand. So I'm a right-hander, so I would do forward. And it was on reverse just now, so if it was going the wrong way. So look at this. Guys, this is not vibrating my hands. It is very smooth. It is taking off the gel polish nicely. Listen to that. Okay, so this bit is new, but let me show you all what the old file does, how badly it behaves. Right, let me take this off. This one does not have an open and close to take off your bit, so it's just pull it out. This one I stuck in here though. Let's see if I can unstick it. No, I can't. So this bit I had to stick in here because it was coming out easily. Let me try this one. So because it was coming out easily, I had to have more than one what's called this? The adapter? No. Handpiece. Which is not what I think the company intended to happen, but because this comes out this easily, I had to improvise. So borrow this bit. Right, you hearing it? It's still very loud, and this one gives trouble. And as you see, isn't it sounding louder? Yeah, this one is just so, I don't know if it's the drill, the handpiece. It just makes it so rough. And this is vibrating my whole hand. So, no more of this old file. Let's go to the MelodySusie again. This is still open, so I'll put it back in. Lock it. Turn it on. And you can adjust how much. I'm gonna do 10. Look how nicely! Guys, oh my goodness, my clients are going to love this. It's so smooth, no vibrating. My hands are not hurting, their hands are not going to be vibrating, their nails are sorry. Look how smooth. Like I can do this. I cannot hold that other handpiece with my 2 fingers like this without holding on. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's smooth as ever. I absolutely love it. So let me take off this. Take out this. I want to try let me try this. This is another bit I had. Let me try this. Buckets. And turn it on. Look at it. Oh my goodness. No vibrating. Let me raise it a little more. Smooth. Guys, I'm so excited. I love this so much. And again, I can just like literally hold it like this because it's not vibrating. It's really, really light. And I can file when it needs to be filed. So guys, I'll keep you updated. Wait, this is, let me turn it like this. To turn it on, you have to turn it in this direction. Yeah. But I feel like that's weird. For me, I don't know. Like, I think I would have turned it like this. I don't know, maybe I'm holding it wrong. Turn it like, yeah, because for some reason I would feel like I need to turn it this way. So it's kind of uncomfortable to turn it this way. I mean, I'll get used to it, but it's a little uncomfortable to turn it that way. Especially if I'm holding it like this. Like, you know, it would go like this, but it's going like this. You can like if I'm holding this, turn it like that. Okay, I guess it's going in the same direction. No? Yeah? Anyway guys, so this is my new drill from MelodySusie. It's called the Scamander rechargeable nail drill. It came with 2 bars, so I'm going to leave it to charge so that I can get to use it tomorrow. Please go in. The only thing is, you'll see plenty fingerprints, but I believe it is acetone resistant, which is the same thing that I got with this. It's acetone resistant. I have my bits, I have my sandbands. Yes. So thank you guys for watching. I will keep you posted. Don't get drills like this with hand pieces like this. It is a waste. Bye guys.